is Ben with Vessel Futures Trading, giving you the market overview. Today we're going to talk about the gold contract again, and how can we use the day trade inside the day, how we can get in a position. Obviously we're right now looking at the 4 hours chart, but I'm as always going to look on the day chart before to understand the trend. Obviously it's a very clear uptrend. We can see there's no sign of weaknesses. The volume is supportive. We see the graph behaves the way we expected when you get to supply and demand. Basically on the major supply right here, it reversed, landed on a minor demand over here, reversed again, and is about to reach the pool again. So within the day chart, it looks right now that we cannot take a position. If we would do it, we'll take a long position from here, stretch it up. With the 4 hours charts, we went down and marked the pool areas, and we see a clear sign of the demand of the supply area, major supply over here, and the major demand over here. We know when the price hits a major areas, it's gonna probably try to make the full circuit and go to the major demand. You can see right here we're taking ups and downs. The buyers and sellers are switching hands, and it lands over here on the minor demand over here, reverse again and going up. As we talked about last week, we never chase a position, so we're gonna try to understand where can we take a long position, because we're going with the trend and not against it. I'm going to the 15 minutes chart, and I see over here that this is some areas that we can potentially go with the trend, basically make the wait for the graph to make a correction to go up all the way to the major area. It leaves us a lot of meat to trade from this area and above. I'm going to the 5 minutes chart, and I want to understand, I'm going to cancel this indicator for understand why I took this long position, why I stretch it all the way up. I'm looking at the day and night profile. The market profile shows clearly when it looks like a double distribution day. Price opened over here after it closed at the night. Over there we can see that the basically price went up, tested the area, and I want to trade in a different area. It's got to be more comfortable and fair to trade, and we took a long position from here. Basically we went for the correction to land on the top of this candle. We took the long position from here, and already with 2 contracts we're on $460, $500 up. If you day trading, if you're scalping, you can exit this position right now and call it a day. As always, we're gonna try to stretch the position all the way to the end to see how it's ended. If we want to get an extra support, we see what's going on over here after I landed on the high value area. The volume is still supporting. There's a clear no weaknesses, no sign of weakness from the buyers. Therefore, we want to stretch it up. We're going to stretch it enough to make an income of $3,000, and we'll call it a day for today. Another thing that I want to touch before we close in this market overview, a lot of you still keep sending messages, and I want to thank you all for watching this channel. I know that sometimes it takes a little bit more time to see a 5 to 6 minutes videos to get a better understanding, but we're not into getting 30 seconds, get yourself ready to learn, and etc. etc. This is not quick hit and run. This is not the way we educate our traders. What we do want to see is people that understand to learn, want to learn the story and the graph correctly, and with the story get the right position in the in the interval they want to trade, after they understood and being very secure in their position. So the next term that's been thrown out to the air is financial freedom. Is that a tool for financial freedom? Of course it is. Of course it is a tool for financial freedom if you know how to trade, and if you're doing it right. Even now you can create yourself a $700 profit, call it a day, and continue with your day. If you take it as a side hustle, so-called, if you get yourself another income, of course you can make it. I don't like to use this term very lightly, but by really learning a simple set of skills, you can make yourself a little bit less stressed with your financial situation. If that's the case, if you're a mom, if you're raising a baby and you're sitting home and you want to educate yourself how to do this correctly, if you have a spare time, yes, it is a tool. This tool can give you a simple education of how the future markets been active and how it's been, how to read it correctly. And you can choose your strategy as well. It can be a position once a month. It can be a daily position or a couple of positions, but it doesn't have to occupy you the whole day. The idea is to execute the commands that you are very much comfortable with. And once you launch it, you can continue with your day and move forward to your other occupations. I wish you guys happy trading. As always, drop a comment, like this channel. If you want us to upload more context on the different contracts, we always willing to do so. This week we do have a special offer. We do give a 20% off of our packages. That's not include the personal mentorship. If you guys see these videos and you think that's for you, DM us. The first 100 people that are gonna DM us will get this 20% off. I wish you guys happy trading, and I see you on the next market overview. And when this position is finished, have a successful day.